I personally have never been very good at multitasking, but I'm happy to say that my skincare is very good at multitasking. So basically my skincare routines have a side hustle. They do multiple things at once. Some of my biggest skin concerns are dullness, skin barrier health, wrinkle prevention, and texture. So today I'm gonna be going over all of the products that I use to help me with those issues. So let's get into it. First, I'm starting off with this Fenty Skin Mask, one of my go-tos. The reason this is one of my go-tos is because it brightens my skin, reduces the look of my pores, and evens my skin tone and texture. Basically, she does it all. After I rinse that mask off, I go in with the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Toner. The reason I love this toner so much is because it boosts my other serums, so it's like, it's working with your skincare routine, not against it, which is pretty rare to find these days. I just do a couple pumps of that into my hand. Like I said, this Glow Recipe Toner packs a punch. It boosts your serums to work harder for maximum results, hydrates skin to create an optimal canvas for full skincare absorption, and builds and fortifies the look of skin with powerful antioxidants. And that is why I love this toner. Next, I start with my serums. This is the Pharmacy Honey Glow Resurfacing Serum. I am obsessed with this. I just do a couple pumps of that and pat that into the face as well. I've been obsessed with Pharmacy recently, and that's why the serum is on my list today. It is a clinically proven resurfacing night serum that helps retexturize skin's appearance and reduce the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Proprietary honey blend and hyaluronic acid support skin renewal with boosted hydration to leave skin looking smooth and glowing. Also, the bottle is recyclable glass and it has a new monomaterial PCR pump. Next, I'm going with the Caudalie Instant Firming Serum. This is one of my favorite firming serums. I've been using this serum non-stop because it's a powerful serum that is 3 times more effective than retinol to visibly lift and firm skin. And it is now formulated with vegan collagen 1, hyaluronic acid, concentrated resveratrol 1000, and powered by sustainably produced plant technology. And that is why it is one of my absolute faves. After that, I'm going in with the Topicals Faded Serum. I have been non-stop using this serum recently. I am obsessed. The way that this brightens my skin is just unmatched. This serum visibly minimizes the look of spots, dark patches, and post-blemish marks, and also visibly improves the appearance of texture and reduces the look of blemishes as well. Now I'm going in with the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Collagen Activating Serum, because you know me, always trying to prevent those wrinkles. Just going in with a couple pumps of that and applying that all over the face and neck. This high potency serum has 10 different active ingredients, including niacinamide and signal peptides. It dramatically boosts natural ceramides and fatty acids from within to strengthen the skin barrier immediately and over time. It also penetrates the skin deeply for firmer, plumper, and healthier looking skin. Skin Fix is always killing it. And last but most certainly not least, I'm going in with the Laneige Water Bank Cream Moisturizer just to hydrate and plump that skin up. I absolutely love this moisturizer because it visibly firms my skin, and it is also powered by microsized blue hyaluronic acid, peptapanthenol complex TM, and squalene. Like I said, my skincare routine is great at multitasking, definitely better than me, that's for sure. And all these products have been helping my skin so much during these cold winter months. And don't forget, all of these products are available at Sephora and Sephora.com, so happy shopping!